Hi everyone, welcome back again to another video. I hope you all are doing perfectly fine. Today I'm sharing with you this simple Ghanaian chicken light soup with you all. It's so delicious as you can see. And so if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do subscribe, hit that bell also so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. So let's get cooking with this Sunday special chicken light soup. And as usual, I am making pepper soup, so I'm obviously going to need my pepper, garden, eggs, and some carrots. I'll also go in with some onions. You can use any vegetables of your choice, okay? I added in my water, cover it and allow it to cook until it is soft enough for us to blend. All right, so after 15 more minutes it's all done, so I'm going to set this aside for it to cool down before I will go ahead and blend it. So while that is going on, I have my nicely washed chicken right here. I'll also go in with some tolo beef or some salted beef and salted pork, okay? And for seasoning, I'll go in with some grated garlic and ginger paste. I'll also go in with some tomato paste, some meat seasoning powder, and some chicken seasoning powder. And I'll also go in with some salt to taste. The seasoning and the salt is always to your taste, okay? I also added in some chopped onions, add some water to it, cover it and allow it to cook on medium heat until the stock on the meat thickens up a little bit, okay? And so we are back to check on it after 10 more minutes and it's not done, so I'll give it a very good stir. I will cover it for the last time until it thickens up a little bit, okay? And so if you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Kindly do subscribe to my channel, hit that bell also so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for doing that. And after 10 more minutes, the stock on it has taken up beautifully, and this is the consistency that I will be going for. You can allow it to thicken up more if you want, okay? So next I'll go in with my blended vegetables. So I added in a little bit of water, then I blended the vegetables. I'll also go in with a little bit more water to make it more light because we're making light soup. The consistency is to your preference, okay? Stir everything together, cover it and allow it to cook until the soup is nice and ready. And in one of my light soup recipes, I said that I don't love to strain my soup, and I had a comment that why don't you love to strain your soup? My dear, this is because the more you strain your soup, the more your soup becomes very light. So make sure to blend your vegetables very smooth so you don't end up having a very light soup, okay? Alright, so let me give this shout outs to my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are too much. High five to everyone. Thank you for liking my video, sharing and commenting on my videos, fam. I am truly grateful. And now see this baby right here, the soup is looking all ready. I added in some okra off camera, so obviously I'm going to be enjoying this soup with my fufu. Asansini badi minti menye enkwanya kona way abrami fandi me fufu. And to say the soup is all ready, so I'll be enjoying this soup off camera. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are a proud foodie member. Kindly do subscribe, hit that bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you for watching.